Namaskar. Welcome to the Minerva Hospital. I am Dr. Vidhi. I am a pediatrician and critical care specialist. On occasion of World Thalassemia Day, I am create awareness about the thalassemia, which is a preventable disease. So first we should know what is the thalassemia. Thalassemia is a genetic red blood cell disorder. Means ये अनुवांशिक है. It comes from the parents to their child. In this disease, there is the mutation in the globin chain of hemoglobin. In this condition, patient body cannot make enough healthy red blood cell. Means blood तो बनता है but टूट भी जाता है. So patient suffer from the symptom of anemia and their issues. Like child is very lethargic, irritable, their growth is very slow. If we talking about their types, there are three main types. One is thalassemia major, second is thalassemia minor, third is thalassemia intermediate. In thalassemia major, patient can't make their own blood. They lifelong depend on blood transfusion. Means they need monthly blood transfusion to stay alive. Second is thalassemia minor. In this condition, patient is absolutely fine. There is no issue. But thalassemia minor patient are carrier of disease. Means they transfer disease to their children. Third is thalassemia intermediate. In this condition, patient can make blood but not enough amount to stay alive without transfusion. Means patient need a less frequent blood transfusion, like every third month, fourth month they need blood transfusion, and sometime only once in a year patient need transfusion. If patient thalassemia major patient not get any blood transfusion, there is very difficult to survive beyond 5 to 7 years of age. If thalassemia major patient get regular transfusion like monthly transfusion and they are taking regular medication, they can survive 15 to 20 years of age depending on the severity. So thalassemia patient life depend on the blood transfusion, plus in addition to blood transfusion they need to take a regular medication, like they need some medication to reduce the iron level. Because of the frequent blood transfusion, iron gets accumulated in their body, so and some medication they has to be taken on regular basis. If we want to prevent this disease, thalassemia status should be checked prior to the planning of pregnancy and in the high risk community. If both mother and father are positive for thalassemia minor, there is 25% chances that child get thalassemia major. 25% रिस्क रहता है बच्चे को कि उसको थैलेसीमिया मेजर हो. We can check the child thalassemia status at the time of mother pregnancy. Like when mother is pregnancy running third month, we can check the fetus thalassemia status.